Hello and welcome to my tutorial. If you're Windows 7 or 8 or 10 won't boot, you can either choose to use Windows System Recovery options, which in my experience did not work and made me just waste a lot of time, or you can follow my easy and free solution to recover the data from your computer. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. If you have Googled recovery data, chances are that you have found several offers for a free recovery data software, only to later notice that maybe only 1 gigabyte of data is free, and since of course you want to recover much more than just 1 gigabyte, to save the rest they will ask you to purchase the full software for a discounted price of blah 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 whatever. Save your money and follow my easy steps. Step 1. Getting ready. Your data is stored in your hard disk or solid state drive, but Windows won't boot, so let us use an operating system other than Windows. We will use Linux. It's free and easy to install. There are many different versions of Linux, but we'll use Linux Mint because it's very similar to Windows. We're going to need a new or used USB flash drive of 4 GB or more, which you must wipe to install Linux. 2. A working PC or laptop to set up the bootable USB flash drive with Linux. And 3. An external drive or a large flash drive or a cloud storage space to copy your data. When you have everything, visit pendrivelinux.com/universal USB installer easy as 1, 2, 3. The full address is available in my description below, and download the Universal USB installer file. This Universal USB installer program will make your USB bootable. Now we need to download the OS for Linux Mint from linuxmint.com/download.php. You'll need to choose between the 32-bit and the 64-bit versions of the OS. Most computers from the past 7 years will likely be 64-bit, but if you're not sure, pick 32-bit for compatibility and then choose a download mirror. Depending on when you are viewing this video, the version may be different. As of today, the file is 1.8 gigabytes. Step 2. Install Linux on your flash drive. Insert your flash drive into your working computer. An Explorer window will open up. Check which drive letter corresponds to your USB drive. In my case, is D. After, we double-click on the Universal USB installer. Here, from the drop-down menu, we choose Linux Mint. We click on the Browse button and we select the operating system file we have just downloaded. I have it on my desktop. Then I select the drive letter of my USB. In my case, is a D drive, and I choose the NTFS format. In addition, I leave around 2 gigabytes of persistent file size. This is a data room that allows you to save data changes back to the USB storage device instead of leaving the information in system RAM. This data can be recovered and used again on subsequent boots, even when booting from different machines. When ready, click the Create button. A final warning will show up. We read it carefully, and when we're sure, we click on Yes. Step 3. Boot from the flash drive of the PC that has the problem. Next, we need to change the boot order of your computer. Google your computer model name and find which function key triggers the boot menu. Usually, the key is F12 or Del or ESC. You need to repeatedly hit the right key as soon as you boot until you see the boot menu. Use the arrow keys to highlight your flash drive. Press Enter to select that as your boot device, and you'll head into Linux. Running an OS from a USB drive is usually slow, so be patient. After a minute or two, you'll see the Linux Mint welcome screen. Here, you need to enter some basic info to set up the OS. Select a username and password and meet your Linux desktop. Step 4. Backup your data. From here, you just need to move your data by drag and dropping files and folders into your external drive. You've recovered your data. This is it for today. If you like my tutorial, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you'll find a new video here on my YouTube channel. If you have a question, please leave a message. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for listening and enjoy your recovery data files for free. Ciao!